Presenting Godrej's Inverter Frost-Free Double-Door Refrigerator, an intelligent inverter refrigerator that is available in 244, 260 and 294-liter capacity with a 3-star rating. With the 6-in-1 convertible freezer technology, you may use the freezer in 6 different modes as per your requirement. The Cool Balance technology coupled with moisture control technology delivers up to 30 days of freshness to your fruits and vegetables. Equipped with multi-inverter technology, it adjusts the cooling of the unit intelligently for greater efficiency. With the ambient weather sensing technology, you can track internal and external temperature. You also get more space and flexibility with the widest freezer in the segment and a movable ice tray, featuring toughened glass shelves that are durable and strong.